So here I have the Z-hom Folding sofa I've been using for a while now. I'm going to go through all the frequently asked questions I saw and hopefully answer some of those and help you out with your purchase. So I saw, do you have to assemble this when it arrives? If you want to put a cover on it, how does that work? And then can this be used as a bed? So I'm going to answer all those questions and hopefully help you out with your purchase. So for that first question, do you have to assemble it when it arrives? There's no assembly for this. You literally just take it out of the box. It's becoming wrapped up in plastic, really compressed. Just open it up, it'll expand, and you're good to go. They do say give it about 72 hours for it to fully expand, but mine was expanded pretty much the same day that I opened it. So you don't have to assemble anything, just open the box and you're ready to use it. For the second question, then, if you want to put a cover on here, how does that work? So it actually comes with the cover already on. There's zippers all the way through the back. If you ever need to take the cover off and wash it, you can easily do that. So you don't have to worry about buying an extra cover. It comes with the cover on there and it is washable. And then for the last question, can this be used as a bed? So yes, it can definitely be used as a bed. Once you lay it out, there's going to be about 6 inches of memory foam. So it's going to be like a kid's bunk bed or twin type mattress. So something that I can definitely lay on for like a night or two if you have guests over to work perfect, or if you're going camping for the weekend and you don't want to bring an air mattress with. I think this would be like a really nice, easy alternative. I would say I wouldn't probably sleep on it like every day for the whole year because it is only 6 inches of memory foam, but it easily can get the job done for a night, or two, or over the weekend or whatever like that. But overall, I'm a huge fan of this. I was actually surprised at how supportive the foam was. I've reviewed a couple of these, and they're nice too. But that memory foam sometimes is so like plush and squishy, doesn't give you a lot of support. This gives you so much support. It surprised me. I'm super happy with this. It's a perfect gaming chair for any house, and if you have guests over, it can be turned right into a bed in seconds.